Shopify Print on Demand CDs and DVDs Tutorial Part 2.
Video. I just want to go over how you install Knakify. I also want to point out that we have a 30-day free trial, so you can use it for a whole month, see if it's right for you, and if it is, great. If it's not, just cancel, fair enough. I think that gives you enough time to get some orders automatically shipped to your customers, and to make sure you're happy with it. It's $4.97 a month, and like I say, it connects Kanaki, which is a print-on-demand fulfillment company who print CDs and DVDs, and it connects it to your Shopify store. So all orders that come from Shopify get sent to Kanaki automatically without you having to do anything once it's all set up using our new Knakify app. So I just wanted to actually run you through how to get it set up in your store. So if you've got a Shopify store, it should be quite familiar. It should look something like this. Now, if you don't have a Shopify store, now here's a good time to actually go get one. I'll probably put a link below so you can just click on that. I might get a little bit of commission if you use my link. Full disclosure, so just so you know. No worries if you just want to go direct as well. So once you've got a Shopify store, we've just got the basic one. Go and you want to set up a product. So once you've got your product on Kanaki, every product that you put on Kanaki will have a unique reference number like this. So all you really need to do is copy that reference number, and the main thing is to paste it here under the inventory SKU stock keeping unit, and that's the main thing. So once you've installed Knakify, hit get, it'll install into your store. Once it's here, you make sure that your product has got the Kanaki SKU, which is here, which will be underneath your product in Kanaki. You can't really miss it. That's the main thing. That just needs to go in there, and then that just links everything together. So once you've got that in there, you can click here for more instructions. This is the back end of Knakify. I'll click the read more. So basically it gives you the instructions of how to set it all up. So first step is to actually get a product live on Kanaki. Pre-fund your Kanaki account. That just means put some money in there so that if you have orders, then Kanaki don't have to ask you for payment. Payment's there, they can just take it and print it hands off. That could just show you the ID needs to go in the SKU field in your Shopify backend. And another important thing, Kanaki ship to most countries in the world, but not every country. So you want to make sure that your ship settings in Shopify correlate to Kanaki. So if you click here, it gives you a full list of every single country, and then you can obviously set that up. And that's really it. A few extra tips here which you can read. Got a support email here if you need to contact us. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.